To determine if a coworker has romantic feelings for you, look for various signs that go beyond mere friendliness. If he frequently positions himself near you during meetings or seeks opportunities to be close, it could indicate a crush. Supportive behavior like defending you from rudeness or praising your work also hints at admiration. Pay attention to his enthusiasm during conversations. If he enjoys chatting and often branches into personal topics, he might be interested. Notice if he comments on your appearance or seems to cheer up when you walk by, as these can be signs of attraction. Jealousy when you're around other male coworkers and frequent mentions of your name in conversations are other clues. If he leans in during discussions or puts effort into impressing you at work, it may suggest he's trying to win your affection. Additionally, if he engages with you on social media posts, particularly older ones, it points to a desire to learn more about you. While these signals can indicate interest, it's always essential to consider the potential complications of a workplace romance.